Well, hello, everyone. How's everyone doing today? One Pocket Pip. Hello. Good to see you. K-Dog, my friend, just popping in to say hi. Well, hello. Thanks for popping in, man. I'm about to call you later. Long time no chat. Hope everything's going well with you. Angelo, good to see you. Hello. Hope you're doing great today. Hope everyone is doing amazingly well today. I hope everyone had a great weekend. Mine was pretty cool. You know, it was Mother's Day weekend. And I completely forgot it was Mother's Day. Oh my God. Yeah. Let me tell you how that went. K-Dog, been busy. Got an interview Wednesday. Nice. Nice. Sounds good. Sounds good, Carl. We'll chat. Lunatic. Yes, I did. I really did. And the funny thing is we were having a little small family barbecue for my mother-in-law for Mother's Day. And I completely forgot why we were having this little barbecue until like it was noon. And then I realized, oh crap, it's Mother's Day, and I didn't say anything to my wife. Such a bad husband. So bad. She took it well though. She took it well. She hid it inside. She swallowed the anger, just buried it deep inside. So yeah, it was pretty bad. Yeah, better fix that. No kidding. Mortel Box, thanks for joining. Good to see you. Laguna took too much time in the office, not enough time with the wifey. Maybe. Maybe. You were wearing makeup to hide the black eye she gave you. Actually, I do feel like I got the crap beat out of me. So, this weekend, I put on some running boards on my in-laws' Ford Explorer. Because my mother-in-law's like 4'9", right? Really short little Asian lady. So when she tries to get up into this Explorer, she has a hard time getting up in there. So I installed some running boards on their Explorer. But the problem is my shop is currently like a woodworking office or a woodworking shop for now, because I've been doing so much work in my backyard and I've been building all these projects, right? So I actually had to do all this work in my garage, which I don't have all my tools and like lifts and all. I don't have anything, right? So I was on my back on the concrete. I bruised probably every little vertebrae in my spine. Moving around on that concrete. I had to drill through the freaking pinch welds with the little battery operated drill with a it was a pain. Major pain. I'm hurting. I am hurting today. Like, really sore. It's just my age getting me, I guess. But it was a fun little project, though. Fun little project. And now she was so happy. So happy she could just step on that little running board and just hop right on in. Carl, those boards look great. Appreciate it, my friend. Yeah, it took a lot longer than I was hoping to do. But, you know, if your workspace is taken up by another project, you have no choice but to adapt and do the best you can with what you got, right? So, Laguna Tick. So, for everyone who doesn't know, the Laguna Tick is my brother. He's out in Austin. And he's been starting to stream on Twitch. Playing, playing Call of Duty? Is that what it is? I don't even know the name of the game. But yeah, he's a badass. Yeah, Warzone. Dan, wait, you're not the insane one in your family? Dude, I got 4 brothers. We're all a little crazy in our own little way. Bought a new capture card so people can actually hear all the game chat now. Finally. Because the cool thing about it is a lot of times my brother will play with my other 2 brothers, the 2 other brothers, and they'll all play together on the same team. And so my way to kind of join them is I just watch them on Twitch. I'll chat with them while they're you know, playing games and stuff. So it's kind of cool. Carl, got to get back to studying. So many changes in EF Core 3.1. Best to you, bro. All right, Carl. Thanks for joining. Stop in and say hi. Good luck. We'll chat later. One pocket pimp. We need confirmation who's the most insane. Coach Stencil, good to see you. Greetings. Yeah. All insane in our own ways, 100%. Oh my God, we are crazy. Especially if you get all of us together in a cabin out in the mountains. You talk about some crazy stuff. Woo, memories. I can't talk about that though. Lips are sealed. Yeah, what happens in the mountains stays in the mountains. That's true. That's true. Yes, Coach, I got a haircut. This is called the mother-in-law haircut. So, you know, I kind of mentioned, I don't know if you were here for that, but I talked about how this weekend I put running boards on for my mother-in-law on her Ford Explorer so she can get in and out because she's really short. And in exchange, she basically gave me a haircut. So she came over on Mother's Day and cut my hair. So this is the COVID-19 family haircut. It works, right? It works. Coach Digital, saw that on Twitter. Yes. But so let's kind of get into a little bit of work now. Let's get a little bit of work, right? Chatted enough. On the last stream, we left off with what I thought was a bug. Like, I think we found a bug in Visual Studio Extensibility APIs, right? Work? What kind of stream is this? It's, you just never know. Day to day is different, right? You never know what you're going to get. But I thought we found a bug in the Visual Studio Extensibility APIs, and we were right! We were right. It was a bug. It was not my code. We were doing things properly, but it was indeed a confirmed issue. I'm so happy about that. And let me open up my Internet Explorer. Oh, actually, it's not Internet Explorer. I don't know why I call it that. Freaking Edge. I don't know why I call it that. Oh my gosh, it's early. It's early. How did I confirm this? I'm going to show you how I confirm this. I'm going to go to my Twitter because Twitter is a powerful thing. So do you remember when we ran into this issue? I reached out to Mads Christensen on Twitter saying, "Hey, Mads, I'm having a problem, man. This is a big issue. What's going on? Am I doing something wrong?" I gotta find it. It was a couple of days ago. Okay, yeah, it was a while ago, wasn't it? Let's get back. Nope. Where is it? Ah, okay. So David Kean here was added to the thread, right? And he looked at this, and I was explaining kind of like, okay, this is our problem. And remember, we took a screenshot during the stream, and I sent this screenshot to him, and it's like, oh, I know why this is happening. They're trying to save the unloaded project before removal, right? So he's telling me a workaround now. This is the workaround we're going to try today. Now, while we have a workaround, this is the even cooler part. They're going to fix it in an upcoming preview. Right? Here's my reply. Yay! Like, that's amazing! And not soon after that, he actually merged the fixed in to master, and it will be available in preview 2. Right? The power of Twitter. It's awesome. Like, literally, I reported a bug on Twitter. I didn't even report a bug. I just said, I think I have an issue. This isn't working. And they're like, oh, let me try that out. Oh, you're right. It doesn't work. Oh, this is why it's happening. We'll fix it. That's amazing right there. In just a day or so, couple days, right? So what we're going to do today is while we're waiting on this preview 2 to be released, we're going to try this workaround that David gave me. Okay, and David freaking rocks. Thank you so much. We're going to try this today. Dan, but that only works for MVPs, right? troll comment. No, it doesn't work for just MVPs. This works for everyone who is interactive and cares about community. All right. So actually, let me copy and paste this into my notepad right here so I don't forget it, because we're going to have to search how to use this. Because obviously, I mean, there's no links to docs provided, so we're going to look that stuff up. So I just put that in my notepad so I can refer to that as we try to implement that fix. And so, no, it's not just MVPs. Not just MVPs. Like, if you scroll through my notifications here, like, people are always reaching out to me for help, and I'm always helping the best I can, right? Like, it's just what I do. That's just what people on Twitter do. They help each other out, right? You need help, we'll help the best we can. We got, if we have the time, we'll help the best we can, right? So, yeah, I mean, lots of questions about how to do stuff. And, hey, help me, Brian. I don't know how to do this. So, all right. K1, good to see you. Thanks for joining. I am going to open up the template pack. Oh, here it is.
You love me. You really love me.
Lots of out with the woohoo. Everyone, good to see you. Yes, Dan, seriously, why I always tell people to use Twitter. You get better help through Twitter than you do through the Visual Studio developer community site. That is so true. So true. Especially if you communicate enough with one pocket pimp. I was waiting for somebody. I didn't know who it was gonna be.
But now we will code as Spartans. Hoorah! So let's kind of just step back and kind of review what the problem was. Okay, I'm gonna show the issue, because if you're just joining, you may not have seen this issue. But so we're writing this Visual Studio extension, right? And this extension basically takes a .NET template, a .NET Core template, that's embedded in inside of a NuGet package. And we take that NuGet package, we use it as an actual Visual Studio project template, and then we're going to create some solution folders and manipulate the solution on disk when the project is created. So, pretty cool. Lots of fun. But what are we doing today? Usual 60-minute frustration, no solution, or do we just make stuff, working stuff for the change? You know, lots of fun. You might have just joined, but you missed the part where I had my Twitter feed open, and we have a reply from Microsoft that what we ran into, what I'm about to show, actually I'm just gonna get started. What I'm about to show was actually a bug, and they fixed it, and they're gonna push a fix in the next preview. And in the meantime, they have given me a workaround that we're going to test. So we will see. We will see if their workaround will indeed work. Who's at my door? Who's at my door? Let me look. Are you serious? Okay, hold on. So sorry. I'll be right back. It's not Amazon. It's groceries. Hold on. Well, okay. That was, unexpected. Apparently, my wife ordered Instacart for our groceries. No one was there to,
Get the front door. So I had to run and get the groceries. Yes, I have my groceries delivered. I've been doing that before this whole virus thing. I feel you need to reset the timer for the Spartan mask. Yeah, you're probably right. I did have to run off for over half of the Spartan mask, so we'll throw the Spartan mask
back on just for a little bit. 3 more minutes of Spartan mask. Okay. So the problem was, okay, we're going to create this new project. This is a Prism full app that we're working on, a .NET Core app. We're going to create it. And then in this line of code, we get an exception. Wait for the project to be created. And this is what we ran into last week. This is where we stopped last week. Right here. Parameter is incorrect. So the bug is using this API, you can't remove an unloaded project. Okay, so what we did is we looped through all the projects and we unloaded them, because what was happening was if we didn't unload them and we just removed the project because we're moving them to new locations within the solution, the project references would be lost. And so we could move everything around, but it was a broken project. You couldn't build it because all the references were busted, right? So we tried to do this, and then after lots of problems, we narrowed it down to like, look, okay, let's just test the bare minimum, what is blowing up. And we found out that it's this line of code, right? We were testing inside of this where we had more going on. We're like, okay, we can't do that. We have to identify the problem code. And so we identified it. I reported it on Twitter, the Visual Studio team, Visual Studio Extensibility team, I should say. And they're like, oh yeah, that's a problem. Here's a workaround. Okay, so let's look at their workaround. Their workaround is something called IWS solution closed solution element. So let's see if we can check this out, right? Let's see if they gave us good advice. And I'm sure I'm not going to look for it that way. Okay. Boop. Have you figured it out? We're working on it, Normal. We're working on it right now. Okay, so programmatically closes a document, a project, or the entire solution. Okay, so this is another way to close something without using using a different API, essentially. So, close options for the solution. VSSLN's close options. A pointer to the VS hierarchy of the document to close. And some
cookie. Some dot cookie. What? I don't know what that is. It returns int32. Okay, com signature. To close the entire solution, don't care about that. We're not closing the entire solution. Call close solution element, close options null null. To close a single project, this is what we want right here. To close a single project, call close solution element, your options, the hierarchy, null. Okay. We can do that. We can do that. Close solution element. Okay. So I'm in here already. So let's get rid of this code, because we know that's broken. We know that's not going to work. So we have...
Penny for your thoughts.
We have the solution here. One pocket pip! How many bride bucks do you have?
That's good. Like that. Like that.
Oh my gosh. Alright, so I'm Yoda for the next 3 minutes, although I do not have a Yoda voice. I still need to figure that out. I just don't have the time, right? Just don't have the time. So we already have the hierarchy. And we already have a solution, so this is good. Right? Let's go. So it was solution dot close solution element. The option, close options. Let's look at that signature again. It says VS solution close options. I'm just gonna copy that. VS solution close options dot. Oh wait. They have this weird, really weird naming convention. This is probably a double underscore. Yep. For their enums, double underscore enum. And then we have, wait a minute. Delete project. No, we're not deleting. This is not the options that he said. He says use solution save options. But the signature, it says to take the close options. Placeholder for the options. Placeholder for the options. Oh, okay, let me copy this. Let me copy this. I'm thinking that means I can do this. Hold on. Underscore, double underscore. Let me go back. That's what I need. That's what I need right there. Okay. And he said no save, right? Where's my notepad? No save. Okay. So, got that. Next is we need the hierarchy, which we already have, which is very handy. Boom. Got that. And then we're supposed to pass null here. That's not working. To close a single project, call close solution options hierarchy null. Okay. What is this? What the heck? Cannot convert shell options to... Right, okay. Maybe? Because I'm just looking at what we did here. Right, you see this right here? Okay, so fix that. We got one fixed. That's weird. Why didn't they just make it a... match the signature? I don't know. Death Knight, have you looked into the project collection tag in the template? Nope, because that's not the issue. Now null is the issue. Cannot convert null to uint. Uint.cook. What the heck? I'm not crazy, am I? Well, don't answer that. To close a single project, call options hierarchy null. But .cookie the uint. And that's not nullable. What? What the? Ah. The docks are broken. Yeah, I think normal. I think you have a good idea. Obviously, we can't pass null here, even though the docs just said that. Where am I? Where am I? I lost. Right here, it says it. Can I comment on this? Is this on GitHub? Can I like? Okay, hold on. I'm gonna bookmark this. Because I'm going to fix their docs for them. We'll contribute to this. Because, yeah, that's not right. That's not right. I think normal's onto something. I think we need to... I'm assume 0. I'm going to assume 0. Right? Okay, we're building. Well, hold on. Before I say that, let me actually build. We know how that works. Okay, build succeeded. Let's run it. See what happens. Hope this works. It looks right. Okay, new project. Full app. Yada yada. Great project. Okay, so now what we're expecting to happen is no exception, and I should see an empty solution. Because we're looping through all the projects and just removing them all. Right? So well, kind of work because we don't have an exception anymore, but also didn't work because it didn't remove the project from the solution. Broken! Miley! Stop breaking my stuff, Miley! Golly! Okay, that's curious. Oh my god. Okay, so that didn't work. Why didn't that work? Okay, well, let's not unload it. I want to remove all the code that's not required. And let's test this, right? So what's the bare minimum code? We have to have the hierarchy, which we get here. We don't need the project GUID, so let's comment this out too. Right? We don't need that. So let's... Okay, so all we have now is we're closing this. That's all we're doing. We're closing each project. We will find the problem. I can't remember what the problem is. The problem is before, when we were removing projects from the solution, we were losing the project references to those projects, which would break the build in the template. And then we were told to unload the project before removing it. And then that threw an exception, and then we found a bug. And now we have a workaround we're trying. Okay, so let's try this. Okay. Whoops. Nope, that's not what I want to be. Here we go. Create. What do we got? What do we got? Is it going to work? 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 What do we got? My camera's... What the heck? Yeah, I need to fix that scene. It worked! Okay, so we hold on. Hold on. Let's not get...
Let's get ready to rumble!
Alright, what's a battle royale? A battle royale? There shall be. One pocket pin. You said hold on. Here we go. I don't know if you're gonna win this one. I'm sorry. That was 1,000 Brian bucks on a whim. Just you're hoping you can win it. I don't know. Holy crap, that's a lot of avatars. That means some stiff competition. What do we got? Who's got it? I'm still in it. That's all I care about. Oh, not for long. Why'd I say anything? Crap, I'm dead. That's no good. Oh, the health packs are dropping. K1 got a health pack. Fell right on his head. Lasamat's almost down. K1's gonna take Lasamat out. Skycom 3-2-1 coming up from behind. Oh my goodness. Gatsby5 got a health pack. Okay, K1's done. K1's done between Zaspy5, Skycom 321. Zaspy5 just got another health pack. I'm calling this one. Zaspy5, the winner and champion of this Battle Royale. Good job. Good job. Okay. So as I was saying, this initially looks like it works. But remember what our problem is. The problem is that we were losing the project references. So we have to go check these project files to make sure we didn't lose our project references. There they are. They're right there. We didn't lose them. This is very encouraging. Very encouraging. This is awesome. Oh wait, lots about trying to use the Wahoo. Does that work? Yeah, it works. God, Crow, question about Prism WPF can be asked here. Yeah, go ahead. Ask your question. This is good news, though. Okay. So we have confirmed that this works. Which is
What kind
amazing.
of place is this?
I'm not gonna lie. My head may explode listening to two streams in a Zoom. What the? What are you doing, Dan? Okay. We can move forward with our wizard now. This is great. This is great. Okay, so before... what? Okay, I'm gonna take this out of here. I'm gonna move this up here. I just want to kind of rearrange some code a little bit. Because this code here will eventually work. Right? This is a workaround, so this code will eventually work. But it's not working now. So I don't necessarily want to lose this. Though I think I might have it in source. Right? I'm trying to think what I... Oh, actually this needs to come out too. And I had some weird... Yeah, I had some weird stuff going on in here. We got to remove that. Remove that. That's where it was before. So let me just... Actually, I don't care about that. Yeah, I do. I'll just throw it up there. Oh, I already had it. Right there. On my test code. Okay, so what we were doing before is we were creating a solution folder. Looping through the projects. And moving them to the appropriate solution folder. I'm curious if we should just kind of take this approach and just stick it in here. Crow, in WPF, how do you get reference to Unity container registrations inside service class? What? That's design smell to me. What are you trying to do? You need to explain your scenario. What are you trying to accomplish? Because that is, yeah, like Dan says, that's a massive design smell right there. Okay, so I gotta think, how am I going to utilize this? So we don't have to unload projects anymore, so that's good. So that means I can get rid of this code, unload and reload. We don't need that. We're just going to remove them. That means I also don't need this code. Right? Oh my goodness, Tell learn to code. You know what that means? That is the sound of a raid.
It's a raid, everyone! Defend! Defend! Defend our chat from these raiders trying to come up in my stream! Defend! Thanks for the raid! Tell learn code! I hope your stream is awesome. What were you doing? What were you coding about? What were you learning about? Playing games, whatever.
What's going on? How was the stream? Thanks for joining. Thanks for the raid. Always fun. That's one of my favorite little scenes I like to switch to. It's what I need to do. I need to get some raid emotes. That's what I need. I need some raid emotes. Okay, so I'm wondering if we should just take this code here and do this same kind of thing, right? So what I mean is, can I just take this and just kind of replace this code? Because to do, when MS releases their bug fix, we can use this code, right? But until then, okay. Well, for one thing, if we're going to do this, this needs to be pulled out, right? That needs to be pulled out. Whoops. So we could do that. We can get rid of... We can comment that out. I'll just leave it for now. Okay. Lovejacker! Hello, Chief Executive Officer of the Laguna Soft. I never know what you're going to say next. Never know what you're going to say next. Okay, so... now we can go, like, okay, tests. This is going to be... we're going to get the hierarchy. And then... once we close the solution, we can add it back. Right? And oh, this should just, that should not be called services. That's a copy and paste thing. We'll call it SNL folder, solution folder. And actually, well, is that add solution folder that returned? Okay, SNL project. And this is going to be a solution folder itself. Okay, I think that works. So I'm thinking we can do this. Okay, let's try it. Oh, hold on. Hold on. There's an issue here. There's an issue because we ran into this. We ran into this on the previous stream. It was a solution folder is a project. So it's... what is it? Okay, we're gonna have to find the bug, essentially. I don't... it was something about the name. Like, if the project name wasn't empty, right? Or something like that. Didn't we have to do that? Was it something like this? I could have swore it was something like this. I don't remember. We're going to have to loop through it. I don't remember. But it was something about these solution folders were our actual projects. That's how come when it says add solution folders of type project. And so when we were looping through the projects, like the unique, like full name or something name was like null because it wasn't a legit project. It was something like that. I don't remember. We will find out. Okay. Crossing my fingers here. God Crow, sorry. Okay, I'll explain. And if this is not the appropriate place to ask, no problem. I will dig more. Here's a problem. In a Prism module, my service is registered as an instance. I can get it resolved in the view model constructor. Perfect. But then I want to get new instances of the same in some methods called in a view model or in another service class. So in some cases, you want a singleton of that class. In other cases, you don't. That's what you're saying. Hold on, one sec. Let me step through this. Okay, so projects. We're testing in tests. Project name, full app. Okay, this is fine. Oh, yep. Oh, wait a minute. This isn't going to do what I want it to do. Yeah, not going to do what I want it to do. That's okay, though. We'll fix it. I just realized the mistake. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah, that's my fault. Hey, move that. Yeah. Got it. Yeah. What I wasn't doing here is we need to check to make sure, right? You know what? I'm just going to do this. Let's try this. I'm curious if we're going to have to, like, close. Actually, I hope this doesn't actually cause us problems. Yeah, we're putting a lot of effort into this freaking wizard. It better be worth it. Okay, let's see. I just want something to happen. Okay. Parameters incorrect. So the solution probably closed. Can you not add? Okay, now we hit another problem. Okay, so are you telling me? Let's try something. Let's try something. Let's go back to this code. I just want to, so after we unload everything, another test because we have another error. I looked around, it seems like, okay, so Death Knight, we can't use the multi-project template from Visual Studio. We are using a .NET Core template that is read from a NuGet package. So everything you're finding on project templates for WPF do not apply. This is something completely different. If we were to hard code, if we were to have a proper template, yes, we could control exactly where everything went inside of this template file. But we don't have that. So that kind of blows. So what I'm going to try to do now is say solution dot add from file p dot full name. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try to add them back. Right? That's all we're doing down here, right? Add from file full name. Yeah, so I'm going to close all of them. And then I'm going to add them back. Because if closing them, I wonder... Gosh. We're getting an issue adding them back after we close them. Create a project. Isn't this fun, everyone? Isn't this so much fun? Create project. So we've proven that we can remove them all, which is great. But how do we add them back? Those were not added back. Oh, because there were no projects in there. We removed the project. Since we removed them all up here, there's no project to add. Okay. Oh, but check this out. Project path. I'll do this. Project path. Dot. Select. Right. No, not select. I want first. I want the first one. I just want to load one. Glad I'm copying those paths over. I just want to load it.
I still miss you.
And so let's not even loop through. We don't even need to loop through these. Let's just add the project back. Right? Asamat, does anyone know some free resources to get started on that whole MVVM thing in WPF? Just started programming in it. Death Knight has some advice. Let's see. Okay, create a project. Let's see what happens. Do we get an exception, or does the project get added back? Okay. Okay. We have something going on here. We've got something. That worked. That worked. Okay, that's good. That's positive. So what logic?
Another one.
Breaking here.
Another one.
Right?
Another one.
What's that?
Another
Lavar?
one.
Thanks for the follow.
Another
I appreciate it.
And another one.
So what was going on here to where you would remove this, but then you couldn't add to the solution folder? So let's try this. Let's test this, because this code failed, and I don't know why.
Do it! Just do it!
Okay, so we're gonna add a folder. We'll call it test, because we're just testing. And then we're gonna say solution folder, add from file. Right? Let's try this. Robin's on 100. What does this extension do? Well, so what this extension does is we have a .NET Core template that is packaged up into a NuGet package. We have created a Visual Studio extension that creates a project template, a Vizix project template, and then takes that NuGet package, finds the .NET template inside of that NuGet package, puts it on disk, and then we're manipulating the solution structure by adding solution folders and moving projects around inside that solution with a custom wizard. Really fun stuff. Okay, so let's see if this works. So what we're hoping to see here is a solution folder called test with a project in it. That worked! It totally worked! Okay, so... why did the other logic fail? That is very interesting. Okay, something else I want to check. Okay, and we kept our project references. So this is good. This is good. This is very good. The problem is I want to know why this code didn't work. We've got an exception. Maybe... I honestly don't know why that didn't work. But I guess we'll just go through all of them. Oh my gosh. So I'm wondering if we have to close all of them first. That doesn't make sense, does it? Okay, let's do something else. Let's test. Test 2. And then we'll take index 1. Actually, we don't need any for. I know exactly which one I want, okay? Let's try this. I gotta test adding more than 1. Because in that loop that it failed, it gave us an exception. So doing 1 worked fine, but doing multiple caused the exception to occur. I mean, if this works, it means we might have to rethink our approach. That's the only problem. We'll probably have to rethink our approach a little bit. Please work. Please work. It'll work. It works. It works. It works. Thank you. Thank you. Thank everyone. Totally works. And I think we still keep our our whatchamacallit, our project references. So let me. Yes, and we keep our project references. So this is good. Now I don't know why if it wasn't when it was in a loop, it didn't work. Looping through it like this did not work. Okay, so let's just step through it. Let's just step through it, shall we? Why did that fail? It's the same code, it's just the only difference is this is in a loop. I mean, I hate to have to I like my methods. But if we have to make it more complicated, that's fine. I'm not a code purist. I'll duplicate code. It doesn't bother me. I'm pragmatic. Your customers do not care what the code looks like. They just want results. So the folder name is tests. The unique name. Oh, that's the unique name. Interesting. Okay. So close that. And then the full name. Oh, interesting.
Hey, pal. You just blowing from Stupid Town?
It's null. The full name went to null. It's all null. The file name, the full name, Name tests. Is this the problem? Remember that issue I was saying about about the solution folders? No, because we didn't create that yet. Well, actually we did. We added it right. Did we add it? Yes, add solution folder. That's why the unique name was weird. So there's an API. Okay, we definitely need to do this. So it's if project. I think it's kind. I think that's what it is. Okay, we got to come back and fix their docs here, for sure, because we know that's wrong. It needs to be 0. So I bookmarked that. We'll come back to that. Excuse me. But it's ENVDTE. What is it? Project.kind. GUID that represents the type of object.
When one person
converted to a GUID. Okay. Blue Spider 7. Thanks for the follow. We are blending, my friend. We are blending. Okay, so project types are defined in PRJ kind. Okay, let's check this out. PRJ kind. C#. Okay, that doesn't really help us much. They weren't in there, actually. Okay. For solution folders. This is what I'm looking for right here. Right? Project kinds. Ketchup on waffles. Good to see you. It's been a while. It's been a long time, right? Haven't seen in a while. I think this is what we're looking for. Project kinds, interrupt, cannot be embedded. Is it this? Nope, not that. This, that. Is Okay, return when a project appears as solution folder when the solution is for, and the kind property is evoked for that folder. Okay, I got that. But where is this? Where is this located? The solution folder pane in the... Yeah. Okay, let's look at this. Projects, da-da-da. Right here, project kinds. I did that. I did that. I totally did that. Why? But I'm getting an issue. I'm getting... That did not work for me at all. It's an abstract... What? What are we doing today? We are working on this extensibility project. Okay. This is going to be nasty, but I'm going to try it. Let's do this. That's so weird that someone's blog posts are like, oh yeah, I use this. But it totally doesn't work. How weird is that? Yeah, I imported it. I had the whole shebang. Bar test. Whoops, didn't want to do that. It was project kinds. See that? Right there. It's right there. I even have IntelliSense. Look. But this is an abstract class. What? Oh, doesn't matter. For now, I just want to test that this works. Let's try this. That is so weird.
When one person
Sylvina B.
come together.
Thank you for the follow. Now we're all blending. We're blending. We're breaking code is what we're doing. Come on. I'll tell you, the Visual Studio Extensibility APIs are probably the worst documented APIs in the history of Visual Studio. Like, they're the worst. Okay, come on, let's hit this breakpoint. So we added a project. So this project is test. So this is kind 66A. Okay, okay, so we fixed that. Because this is a solution folder. We don't want a solution folder. Oh my gosh. I know why it doesn't work. I know why it doesn't work. Because... Oh, wait a minute. I need to comment this back out. We removed all those. Okay, okay. I got to comment that out. We're back to here. I forgot to comment that code out. He's like, wait a minute. This is empty. Okay. Brain fart. Here we go. Doing this should fix the project kind issue. Install package, embed, interrupt. Visual Studio SDK, embed, interrupt types. We should just comment all of your code, and then it will work. Yeah, comment. There you go. Just comment it all out, and it's just going to work. Story of my life. Okay, number 12. Number 12 is the charm, right? So, isn't that what they say? We will, Aviator, we will figure out the project kind issue after we actually get this thing functioning, right? Okay, so we're going to go through here. Okay, so this is not that project. This is full app 12. So it doesn't contain the word test, which is good. This one is the core project. Don't go in there. Working. Folder name test. Okay, this is module. Don't go in there. Services. Interfaces. Okay. Test.
Another
this is
one.
it. This is it.
Another one.
Another one.
Another one.
Another one.
Another one. And another one.
Did we get it? Did we get it? Ah, yes! Yes! Hail to the yes! Oh my goodness, we got it. Oh. It only took 3 streams. God. Oh, that was so painful. Okay, hold on. I don't want to get ahead of myself. I should see. It's not broken. It's not broken, Miley. Go away. Go away, Miley. It's not broken. Don't come in here wrecking my stuff. You and your wrecking ball. So that worked. That should build. This test should build. I'm waiting. Yes. Okay. Okay, let's comment this out. Oh. feel so much better now. I feel so much better now. So that worked. I'm not sure why. I do know why it didn't work the first time, because we weren't checking for solution folders. We'll fix this in a minute, because this is ridiculous. So that works. Okay, so now this is the big test. Okay, I'm gonna delete this. I know I don't need that. Okay. You know what? Who cares? I think I'm done. No, I'm not. I'm not that confident.
When one person
I'm not that confident. I'm not gonna do it.
come together.
Let's test it all.
Oh,
Sniper
they
Echo
are
1.
blending.
Thank you for blending with me today. Thank you for the follow. You've come at the right time. I think we might have fixed it. I think we have it. I think we figured it out, people. I think we got it. Okay, calm down. Calm down. Number 13 is the charm. This one's just gonna work. This one is just going to work. It's gonna work. Oh, I almost timed that perfectly. Yeah! It totally worked. It totally worked. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. We got it. We got it. It works. Okay. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. However, moment of truth. We have to build. Oh no! It didn't. It didn't. It didn't. It didn't. Look! We lost our project reference again. Hold on, let's check this one. Core. Okay. I celebrated too soon. This has no project references. All my project references are gone. This is what we're trying. Okay. Okay. Ketchup and waffles. My nephew of 2 is watching you. Hopefully he's going to be a developer than I am. Better developer than I am, yeah. Okay, so... You know what I think is happening? I think because we're not unloading all the projects, let's add the... I think this might be causing the problem. Because when we did it this way, when we... I'm glad I didn't delete that. When we removed every project, and then we manually added them back. Like we removed them all, then added them back. It worked. We kept our project references. I tested it. I put it here. We did it. You know... Is that... What the heck? Obviously I can't do it this way. Something in this approach removes the project references. Am I be adding them back? That is defeating. That is very defeating. I ain't gonna lie. Like, that has a whole it just sucked all the positive energy out of me. Okay, let's... Okay. I'm gonna make this very not code friendly. What is it? I'm gonna just freaking... Is this right? I'm gonna just hard code the crap out of this. Just hard code the crap out of it. And if I can get this to work hard-coded, then we can try to figure out how to make it a little easier. Nope, I'm going to say contains. Right? Yes. Oh, actually, hold on. I can't do this one. I got to do this. Like I said, got to hard code the mess out of this one. Yeah. This is frustrating. Does the reference get removed on unload/removal project? No, when you remove the project, it doesn't get removed. Like, we tested that. We proved that out. Okay, so if it ends in tests, perfect. Okay, so we'll do this. Okay. Solution, test services. What else was there? There was something else. Test. Oh, modules. Okay. I am just going to hard code the crap out of this one. And then... That's modules. And then we just do this. It's just... Solution. Yeah, right here. Add from file. Oh! Kean Jack! What the subscription for 4 months? My goodness! That's 4 months in a row, my friend. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated. You just love to watch me struggle in pain, don't you? That's all that is. Core. Right. Ends in core. And then, this one's gonna be a little... This could be a little more difficult, actually. You know what I need? I actually need the name. The crap. What's the name of that? I'll just run it. I'll run it, test what we have, but I need the project name. And then I can hard code the final one. Dr. Argus, is this what it's like to work with you? Your coworkers ever have concerns for your caffeine intake? Actually, I take no caffeine. I do not. I drink water. That's all I drink. I don't drink soda. I don't drink alcohol. None of that. So this is just imagine if I was on caffeine. That would be scary. That would be very scary. Okay. So what I'm looking for is I'm looking for the name of the parameter that has safe project name. I think that's what I want. I think I want safe project name. Or just project name. Safe for these purposes, I will take this. Where's my notepad I had open? I still have that open? Yeah, I do. Okay. So for now, we'll continue. Bam! Let's do this. All natural energy. That's awesome. You've got great energy. Thank you very much, Dr. Argus. I appreciate the kind words. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I'm scared. And of course, it's already a member of the solution. Why is it already a member? Oh, because, oh my gosh. Copy, paste. Of course it's already a member of the solution because, of course it is, because I did it. I said it was. Stop. Oh, well, it gives me a chance to actually fix this. So, what I actually want to do here is, okay, string full app. Or no, not full app. I just want app name for now. This is fine. And I want app name equals replacements dictionary index of that. Ooh, I like project name better. Let's rename that project name. Okay. And then here, let's hard code this one. I don't remember if that had the CS proj in it or not, but I don't think it did. Let's try it again. Okay, we have hard coded the crud out of this thing. Let's see if it works. You know, I honestly don't have a problem with this either. Because obviously looping through it does not work. So frustrating. Ugh. Okay. New project. I just want it to work. Create. Dry IOC. Let's do this. Let's do this. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. Just work! Work! Oh wait, I gotta get ready. Where's my... Okay. Now, I'm not doing anything right now until I check these freaking project references. I'm terrified. I'm letting this is still building or something, restoring. My heart is actually beating fast right now. Like, I'm so scared this didn't work, and I'm just stuck.
Do it! Just do it!
Oh my god. Okay. Here we go. Let's look. Oh! Oh! Wait a minute. Hold on. Calm down. Hold on. I am not... No, do not wahoo yet. Do not wahoo yet. Only if this passes do we wahoo.
What kind of place is this?
Yes! Oh, okay. Yes! Oh my goodness. The sweet taste of success. Oh, it's so delicious. Oh, okay. Okay. Hold on. Next test. It's you. It's you. Oh. Okay. Hold on. We're not done yet. We got to run our tests. We got to make sure everything is functioning. Oh, please. Please function. Just, I think we have it. We got it. We got it. Oh, I'm so happy. I just want to cry. So happy. Okay, so we had to hard code the crap out of that to get that to work. Which is weird. Yeah, so now we go over the code again. Because obviously we can't do this. That just did not work. And I don't know if it's going to work even when Microsoft fixes their bug with the remove. I do want to keep this. But even then, I don't know if this is going to work. But I will keep it here just for, save my spot, commit. No kidding. Prosperity. Okay. So I hard-coded the mess out of this, and it worked. I don't know if we want to even mess with this. Actually, let me open up, get cracking. I am going to commit. I'm committing this. Oh, where am I at? Prism Template Pack. There we go. Okay. Stage of changes. Got solution folders working.
Hey, pal. You just blowing from stupid down?
Got it. Got it. Okay. So. What are we doing here? Whoops. Let's do a little refactoring. Just a little bit. We could probably pull this out into a method, right? Called remove package or remove projects or something like that. You missed the template update. I'll do that in a minute. That's the template. Are you that concerned with it? Okay. Actually, this is good. I need to do this. I think I have to edit templates or open the submodule. Open the submodule. Then stage changes. Right? Is that right? Dan, you might have to walk me through this. Yeah, so I opened it, but it says I'm in a detached head state. I don't know what that means, but I'm a stage changes. Added new whatchamacallit. WPF full app template. Right? So commit. I'm going to push. I can't push. Push is not available when in a detached head state. What did I do? Ah, what did I do? What happened? Close that out. Open the submodule. What happened to... You need to be on a branch. Oh. Well, now I don't have anything. You see that? It's gone. It's gone! God. Come on. Hold on, let me check disk. I better not have lost that. Better not have lost that. I will be pissed. Nope, it's there. It's there in all its glory. So I still have it on disk, which is good. You committed to the head, not the branch. Well, how do I get back there? No, it's not there at all. Look again. What are you talking about? Oh, that's not it. Oh, actually, let's delete these. Delete those. Those are done. Oh my gosh, I can't even click on a folder. Prism Template Pack, templates, PF, full app. Oh! 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 What happened to it? What happened to my template? I just committed that. Dang it. I typed it in and said commit. Oh yeah, you're laughing your ass off, aren't you? Laughing your ass off. Not funny. Yes, I do have the nougat. I do have the nougat. I cannot build again, or it will be overwritten.
Hey pal, you just blowing from stupid town?
Am I still debugging? Yeah. What the heck? We're gonna fix this. That's scary. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened. There we go. There it is, right there. Okay. Go back. Templates. WPF. Full app. Full app. Oh, no, not that one. Sorry. This one. Okay, we're back. We're back in business. That was scary as hell. I'm so glad that's backed up in that NuGet package. What the heck did I commit to? What the heck did I just commit to? Because you saw me, I typed in, I staged all my changes, and I hit commit. I said, go, commit. I lost my solution folder. That's okay. To the head. I commit to... How do I get back to the head then? How do I get that back? Okay. Open this submodule. We have changes. I'm on master. I'm looking at it. I'm on master. Stage changes. Added WPF. Added WPF full app template. Okay. Commit changes. Push. Okay. Successful. Now I'm going to go back. I'm here. Right? I'm in full app. 64 file changes in working directory. Okay. Oh, okay. Hold on. No. Don't you dare do that. Template pack. Templates. WPF. Oh, back. Where am I? Where the heck am I? Here we go. Template pack. Templates. This. Delete that. Okay. Got it. Okay, so do a pull rebase. Pull rebase. Cancel, 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 cancel. Okay, perfect. So we want to pull. Should WPF app push to and pull from master, right? We want to do master. The pull rebase comment was for the templates you just pushed. What the heck? You guys are confusing me. These submodules are so confusing. You know what? I just want to stage this. Screw that. Okay. Updated to updated submodule. I need to spend more time in submodules. Okay, I want to rebase from master. Well, no, you know what? I'm not done yet. I'm not going to rebase yet. Because I'm not done with my branch. Okay, I just wanted to check in. I think we're safe now. I think we have it working. This is my first time dealing with submodules, so I'm still trying to get used to that. Okay, so now that we're checked in, we're safe, everything's good. Let's see. We will get you learned on how to use Git. I hope so. Can't be an expert in everything. Dang. Can't know everything. So this could probably be a method. Right? This could be what? Close all projects. And I can't spell. Okay, so we got close all projects. I cleaned up a little bit. Are we using this anywhere? Hold on. Service provider. Yes, we're using that there to set the solution. But I'm only using that here. So actually, let's pull this back. Like this. And we... Yeah, okay. So that's good. This is fine. We do need the solution in there. Because we loop through all the solution projects. We store them off into our project paths. Now, what I could technically do is I could have this return the project paths. Right? So we don't have to have this stored up here. We could totally do that if we wanted to. Maybe we should. Well, it depends on what we do here, actually. I'm trying to think. I'm trying to think of how we can do this. I don't want to hard code all this stuff. So I have a collection of all the project paths. I have that going for me. Okay, that was generated here. So what if this did indeed return? Right? What if we did do this? Right? What are we returning? Oh yeah, project. What if we did that? This actually the solution. The solution itself, actually, we don't need up here, so that's good. So we could do that. Because this is, yeah, we can't do this. This is not going to work for us. Okay. So we got that. So we're closing all the projects. So now we can say var project path equals. Right? Now we do need the solution because that's going to be used in other methods. I almost want to say we can modify this. Actually, I feel like we can do this. So I'm gonna delete that. So what if I kind of took the same approach where I'm like var path equals oh, we would need the path. Hold on. If I'm doing this, right, and I want to pass in the solution, the project path, and the folder I care about. Right? And it just creates solution folder. Oh, it already added it for me. Okay, cool. Added a new one for me. So I will delete this one. I'll take this. Delete this one. Add that there. Okay. So we're going to loop through here. Project string. String is a folder name, I think I called it. Right? Yeah, folder name. Yeah, it's folder name. It's right here. Come on, Brian. Jeez. Act like you've coded before. Okay, so now in this case, we're not looping through the... we're not looping through the project. We have the paths that we're passing in. Project path dot where something contains the folder name. Right? So we're going to get a couple of them. So in this case, it's going to go and it's going to find what contains tests. And then we want to add that. So there may be one or more of these, right? So for each var path and paths. Specifically, this only happens with services, but add from file path. So this will go through tests. But here, okay, hold on. That's not going to help us with these. With the core or with the CS project. So we may have to still hard code that one. We may have to still do this. But we may be able to get away with this. Right? Because that would... Okay. I don't know if I should try to remove the path from that collection. Okay, I think we might be able to do this one. And we'll just have to hard code these last two, but these can be a little, you know, a little cleaner, a little bit. Okay, let's try this so far. We refactored a little bit. Let's see if this works. Hopefully it does. Hopefully I didn't break anything. No, where's my build error? Oh. Hey. Come on, people! You're supposed to be watching me. Fixing my typos. Say, oh, Brian, you had a little double equals in there. Alex, yeah, then you're left with the ones you just want to add. Yeah, exactly. Which, I mean, if I really wanted to be explicit on these, and I could do this. I mean, that's pretty explicit. I'll delete that. Okay, let's see if this refactoring helped a little bit. Stop, broken! Stop! You're jinxing me! You're jinxing me, Dan! It's not broken, it's gonna work. We didn't break anything.
And another one.
Rough Samestone. Rough Samestone? Is that how you say that? Thank you for the follow. I appreciate that. Pleasure having you today. You missed a very dramatic day. I don't know how long you've been here, but it's been an emotional roller coaster for me. Put it that way. Oh man. So I have working code now. Let's refactor this. Let's see what happens. I think we cleaned it up. I think we've cleaned it up a little bit. And of course. Oh, because it, yeah. I was afraid of that. So we can't do that. Because the test project, I'm not removing them. I'm not removing them from the I had to change. If I want to remove, I have to remove. Ooh, actually, I did the broken like a full 2 minutes before it actually triggered. Well, there is a time limit on that, just so you know. I can't have everyone abusing that. I think it's like a 3-minute time limit. So if someone's done it, it's a cool off, and for you, I think I have like a 6-minute cooldown period. Okay. So what we actually have to do is we have to remove the path that we added from the collection. But we can't do that while we're iterating this collection, so we have to do something different. Oh no, we can because these paths, I copied these and oh, I totally can. Project path.remove path. I totally forgot we did that. I want to remove from this collection that was passed in. So we're gonna, after we add it, we're gonna remove it, and we shouldn't have any duplicates. And then we can do this. See this? And we can do that. Yeah. I don't have to hard code anything. Move this up. Because we're removing them. Oh, that's so much cleaner. Okay, well, let's see if it works. Hold on. We've been through this song and dance before, haven't we? We've seen how this ends. Okay. New project. Full app. Let's do this. Let's do this. What do we got? Core, module name, services, interfaces, test. Oh! I thought that was a copy. Oh, no, that's right. Project Paths. This is, I am looping through paths and removing here. That should be legitimate. Like, I should be able to do that. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I have to, okay, this is link. I have to force. I got it. I think I have to force it to another list. I'm trying to remember the intricacies of using link. But I think this wasn't actually invoked until I started looping through it. I think. Someone correct me if I'm wrong on that. Anyone watching, if you can remember, I'm pretty sure when you use link, when you pass that line, that's not actually invoked until you need it or something like that. And so when I started looping through it, then it probably queried that collection that I was trying to remove from, right? I mean, it makes sense. I'm probably wrong, but it makes sense as I talk it out. So we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Okay, come on. Come on. We got this. We got this. We got this. We got this. It worked! It worked! That was it! That was it! Okay, hold on. I gotta make sure I didn't break anything. Gotta make sure. I'm gonna let Visual Studio do its thing. Miley! Get out of here! Stop broken! Dang, girl! It's not broken. It works. I'm telling you. We're about to find out right now. Yes, we changed the code. My project references are there. And I did a build. And it works. So get out of here with that, Miley. So that is much better. Still not super happy with it, but... So that was the problem. So when you use link, right? Before, we didn't have this to list on there, right? Well, even though the code actually processed through paths, and this didn't get executed, right? Until we started looping through the paths. Right. So this variable, this where clause did not get invoked until we actually started going through this variable. So that's why we got that exception. And so I'm going to list it. This is going to force this where clause to be invoked. And now I have a proper copy of these paths that I can loop through and then remove from the top. So that's how that was working. Now I can remove all of this. And we are back to something simple like that. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, so that means I can get rid of a lot of stuff, actually. I don't need a project name anymore. So that's good. What else did I play around with in here that I might have left over? Oh, nope, definitely need that. Definitely need that. Okay. Let's look at our references, because I added some references I probably don't need, like VS Lang. Don't need those. Oh, you couldn't see those. There was just 2 references we were playing with that we don't need anymore. Okay. Okay. I think we got it. Let me clean up my using statements. I think we're done. I think we got it. I think we could actually ship this bad boy. Wow. That was a lot of work for something so simple. Just because there's a bug in the Visual Studio Extensibility APIs, we had to go through this mess. But I'm happy with it. It works. Oh, awesome. Okay. So what am I... Should we just release this now? Should we just release it? I don't know. I don't know. Should we? I'm thinking. Release the Kraken. Changes to release mode. Yeah, we still have to throw a DevOps, but for now I have to do it manually. I'm gonna open this. I'm gonna delete the bin and OBJ. And then, yeah, let's go ahead and just do a nice rebuild here. Just do it. Oh, wait. Hey, wait. I got one for that. I got one.
Do it! Just do it!
All right. Let's open, bin, release. This is it. This is what we care about right there. Let me see, what do we got here? Marketplace. Marketplace. What, I haven't been there yet? Marketplace. Visualstudio.com, right? I'm gonna sign in. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Where's my Okay, I'm back. Secret code. Shh. Can't see. Okay, so I'm going to publish an extension. I'm gonna go to my... That looks good. Okay. We went with Prism Template Pack 2.1.8. We're going to edit this. I want to upload a new one. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm doing this. I'm asking for trouble just doing this. I don't know if I should... You know what? Screw it. We did it. We did it. It is now. It is what it is. No, I didn't test it. Nope. I didn't install it. I ran it locally. It worked in debug mode. You know what? We just did it. Oh, I gotta save and upload. Okay, I haven't done it yet. But I will do it when I click this save and upload button. Then it's official. It's official. Scared to death that I'm gonna break everybody. But, hey, it's free, okay? It's free. What do you expect? Get off my back. Get off my back, eh? Oh my god, what am I doing? I'm ridiculous. Oh my god, I just published that live. Did I? Yes, I did rev the version. I did do that. But I just pushed code I just got to work live to the marketplace. Yeah. We'll see how that works. I just did a link with for each and no to list, and it worked for me. What do I say? I don't know what to tell you. Okay. That should only take a few minutes. But I expect everyone watching to go download and test that stupid thing, because I'm sure I broke it. On Thursday, I'll probably be doing a patch release to fix what I just broke. I'm pretty confident that's the case. But hey. Whatever. Yeah, Alex, turn off all emails now. I got a point. I should probably just do that. Hey, I think that makes a perfect time to just wrap this bad boy up. All right, let's wrap this this stream up. That was a good one. We figured it out. It was painful, dramatic, emotional for us all. I cried twice. But we got it. We got it. Success. We persevered. Right? That's what this is all about. Persevering. Hide somewhere safe. I should, like... Yeah, okay. I was probably quick to the trigger, actually. I don't even know if I provided a description or anything. Did I provide a description? No, I didn't. I didn't provide a description. At least I had the name. Prism WF. Okay, so I'll have to update the description. Should Ray dev around the sun? Oh, you know, I heard about that. That's actually not a bad idea. Okay, so hold on before we do that. It's live. It's live right now. Boom. Pretty sweet. So yeah, I'm excited. Sure, I have some, watch the ratings plummet. Probably, honestly, probably they will. But you know what? I don't care. I don't care. Okay. I'm not getting paid for this. I'm doing this for fun. So you can go ahead and hurt my feelings by giving me low ratings for working so hard for you guys. All right. And we got to fix, we got to come back to the documentation. Remember, I bookmarked this here because this is wrong. It needs to be 0 because obviously an uint can't be null. Right? Who writes these docs? All right. So let's get a raid ready. Well, that's about so torturing yourself with this and all the bugs is fun for you. I'm not gonna judge. Yeah, actually it is. It is fun. I ain't gonna lie. It's fun. What am I doing? Oh yeah, I'm raiding. Oh yeah, a little inception here. Let me see if I can mute that. Oh, I muted it. Okay. So let's get a raid started. It's what /raid? I always forget that. So I want to take this time to thank every one of you for joining me today and watching me struggle and helping me pull me out of my depths of despair of just failing constantly. And we finally had a success. We were able to push that thing live. It was fun. I had a blast. Thank you, everyone, for joining me today. I know you could spend your time doing anything else, yet you chose to spend it with me. Thanks to all the new subscribers. Thanks to all the new followers. I appreciate you all. I love you all. And I will see you next time. Let's go ahead and let's raid. Later!
Picture perfect, but I'm dying and I know you feel it too. When we both get so still. Tell me something real. I need an adrenaline shot. Make me feel what I forgot. Baby,